All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one thing, man. It's super hard. But I'm working hard, making steady improvements, and it's getting really exciting. I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube, and I'd love to have you be a part of this awesome community we're building. Just hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. What's going on, man? Leon in the building. Chris, signature. What's going on, y'all? Good morning. It's time. Man, bro, the market is looking bad, yo. Well, we running up on this 200 EMA. Maybe Ant Van, what's going on? Maybe there'll be some light soon for a long trader like me, but it's definitely been kind of thin around these parts. What you got on watch, signature? What y'all looking at, man? Leon, what y'all got? Is there anything exciting out here? Okay, yeah, I got I put OKTA on my watch from last night. Oh, 09. What's 09? Are these earnings plays? I've been trying to stay away from earnings, man. Nah, I don't look like it. On holding AG. There's no company description available. What is it? Swiss sportswear company. Okay. And I'm thinking about playing the SQs today, man. What's up, Three Pony? Like, just like the way things are going, or at least keeping it up. At least keeping it up. I don't know, man. I was tripping yesterday, man. I took 3 clean setups yesterday, and all 3 of them failed. But I mean, the SPY was like falling through the floor all day yesterday. So I mean, I guess that makes sense. And it's like when I come back to mid and large caps, I always find myself back here where it's like, if the market is influenced by the SPY so much, like, should I even be going long if the SPY is below the opening range? Like, I don't think I'm ready to make that confluence just yet, but I'm just gonna, the plan for this month is to just take every instance of my setup and gather the data, because I don't really have any clean data on the setup. I have like dirty data that's sprinkled with a lot of rule breaks and trades that have nothing to do with my setup. So I took one trade yesterday. It was above the opening range, but it didn't wait for the 5-minute trigger like I'm supposed to. So yeah, I gotta leave that stuff alone. I want to put all here. And what's going on with These guys, SMCI, bro. I need to like take SMCI out of my basket as bad as it's doing, and PLTR. OKTA selling off. No FOMO. That's funny, man. My 1 minute after the open alarm to remind myself not to have FOMO. Boy, I that just that alarm right there is a little proof that I've come a ways. It's definitely been days where like 5 minutes into the open, I've already stopped out my day. Oh, those days are so devastating, man. Like, bruh, like before I even got started. Hmm. Found TGTX last night, just wandering around my trading terminal. It's got the kind of volume to actually engage though. Wave Rider, what's going on, bro? Wiped out, still on the rocks. You and me both, bro. All right, there's the 5 minutes. Everything's going green today. SMCI wilding out over here. What's going on? Why didn't SMCI go off on my orb scanner? Yeah, no.
TSM.
TSM. It's kind of expensive, yo. OKTA just broke over 5 minute range.
OKTL.
Yep, already looking at that. Boy, this whole thing done turned green. Now we just gotta be patient. I like SMCI and OKTA a lot. Just need that retest on the 5.
GOOGL. GOOG.
Well, there's a lot of stuff in play right now. Now it is just time to see what gives us the retest. I'm looking at 7 orbs right now. TGTX is going on a little tear. Man, that was a little bit of a fake out from the spy there, wasn't it? Had things looking exciting for a second. PLTR crashing back through the floor. I got two PLTRs up. Things like gotcha. TGTX looking mad interesting though. Man, look at this, such a wide candle, man.
Order filled.
Here we go.
TGT.
Target. How did this come off on the scanner? Little buggy there, buddy.
VNET.
It's pretty nice on the one. That's actually great. But we're not doing that. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
WBR.
Mm.
Order filled.
Bruh. $2. It's even worth it. I don't think so. Bruh, this mug is clean though.
Order filled. TGTX is another low volume joint I done caught myself up in. Gotta be a little more mindful of that. And the SPY is steady falling. Yeah, it looks bad. Order filled. Tesla minus 6%. Oh my God.
VC.
Man, what's up, Artem? Yeah, they are. I'm definitely feeling the bear pressure.
Capital T.
Capital T. That's funny. Hmm. Yeah, I feel that too, man. It's getting dark out here, bro. It's getting dark. Yo, what up, Dirt? MSCI World. FGT? Oh, got you. What's TRNR up to today? I don't know why my daily chart on TRNR is so smashed. Looks like a crappy daily to me. Short Tesla. Oh my God. Tesla is so crazy. Oh, that's what that is? Man, I think I should just go along the SQs, man. Got too many positions already, though. Yeah, this looked like a good buy. Like that's only logical if I wasn't in my other positions.
Order filled.
$290 on Went. Is this a stock going in my favor? Could it be? Might do that. Could it be? I don't believe it. uh, I don't believe it. Went. Aren't they all pumping dumps though, Dirk? Yo.
Order filled.
FRBT. That's your max loss on the day or per trade, Dirk? That's funny because if I would have kept my stop where it should have been under this low, I'd still be in this trade. So, I mean, I stopped out because I didn't risk under the low. Technically both? Huh. Yeah, that's a good question, signature. Okay. Man, it sure would be nice if this was the bottom of the market, bottom of the day, low of day for the SPY. I need some help over here. WBA. Yeah, did I trade WBA yesterday? That's pretty nice right there, T. 14 million shares traded. That's actually really nice. I already got 1R loss though, and I got 2 trades on, so I can't take anything else. SQs looks like a long. That sucks. Go the other way. I gotta be so difficult, man. Yeah, there's the SQs for the long. Yeah, I should have just went to break even and just went long the SQs, bruh. uh, this is weak sauce, yo. $74, $77 was high a day. We rejected that, and now I'm getting stopped out. Great. Man, this turned around really aggressively. No, I don't. Yeah, I know. That's why I got the SQs up, because, for a day like today, but
Order filled.
it just felt wrong going long the Qs while I have 2 long positions, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Well, it seems that orbs to the long side are no good when the market is going down. UVIX. Yeah, it's got even better setup than the SQs. Oh well. This is whack. That might have to literally be the move though. Below, if the SPY is below the opening range, play a ETF, and if it's above, then trade stocks. Because going long these guys is not the move on this kind of day. I had the good daily and everything. What up, Trey? Just over here getting beat up again. Yeah, with small caps opens up another world of issues. What's some small caps that was hot today? Just to look at some charts as I'm getting stopped out over here. All right, just get me out the trade, bro.
Order filled.
Dang, gone. I need to turn off that max loss, man, because it'd be
KHC.
well. How do I feel about my trades today? Low 76, 78. I'd actually still be in SMCI if I actually risked to the low of the hammer, which is what I'm supposed to do. TRNR. Yeah, I couldn't have done nothing with TRNR today. Let's see, what did Dirk play? FRGT. Yeah, would have got stop sauced on that one. What else? Went. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any small caps that would have treated me any better today. Use all my leverage. Ain't that much, bro. You get like 4 shares. That's funny. Later, bro. I don't know, man. This might need a. It's I'm buying the retest after the breakout. My guess is that it's just these are I'm trying to go long while the market is super bearish right now. That's what I think's happening. But what is going on here? My journal's down. Bruh. Yeah. Hmm. For sure. What you got, Dirt? Is the RR trash because of the play, or just you still selling early? Man, the accuracy sounds so nice though, man. Pretty tragic about SMCI that it never made a lower low on the 5, and I got stopped out. Pretty tragic. Now the market's gonna reverse. Hmm. Panic selling. That's what's up, Trey. Opening price. So you would have took it just through the open, the breakout, basically. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, I feel like I got that same principle, Dirk, but I'm just waiting for the retest. So, I like that level, which is where I got my green line at. And I just wanted to wait for the retest and see that buyers were stepping up to push the price up. But I just think these last, I don't know, who knows, but maybe the strategy just sucks. But I think, I mean, the SPY has been in a like all out downtrend um, for the past week. So, what's up, Uncle Paul? Just another day, man. But good trades. I feel like good trades. Um, I think I'm just fighting with the market right now, but no errors today as far as the criteria of my setup and waiting for it to break over the 5 minute opening range and close and then wait for it to pull back and retest. So I did that consistently, I feel like. Um actually this ad, I feel like this ad I've been trying to wait to add until price moves above my entry and retests above my entry, not back into my entry. So I don't know, man. It's not a bad ad though. It's a higher high, higher low. It just didn't follow through, man. Yeah, I actually really like the ad. It just didn't follow through. So yeah, OKTA is pretty good execution. SMCI. I mean, you could look at this wick and say, man, you shouldn't get involved with that, but it doesn't look like super scary on the one. I guess it kind of does. Yeah, it's kind of a violent drop. I could have passed on SMCI because of this top wick, but I don't have that as a rule, so I'm not gonna fault myself for that. But it did break over the opening range and hold and retest, and I bought the break, and it just didn't work. And then same with TGTX. We got the break, hold, pull back, retest. Nice narrow range entry. I was really excited about this. But yeah, maybe premature on the ad on this one. I definitely I'm still working my way to waiting for the 5 minute pullback to add. So this was a little FOMO, I guess, on the ad. But with this nice wick right here, I thought it was a pretty good pullback. I mean, it's probably a good ad actually. Just didn't get the follow through, man. Just didn't get the follow through. Yeah, I may end up seeing that on the days when the SPY is below the opening range that I should not be trying to take trades above the opening range. Could be. I'm also noticing that, what's up, Jack? I'm also noticing that nothing made a lower low after my entry too. So actually this could be just me uh I think I did add myself out of each of these trades now that I'm looking at them. Damn, that's crazy, y'all. Look. Entry here, stop here, right? And it still hasn't made another low. So, I mean, my original stop hasn't gotten broken on any of these trades. Huh. Interesting. But didn't even get to add on SMCI. Yeah, I would say this was a bad ad. We never even made a new high. Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Ain't that what I'm doing, Dirk? Like on this TGTX, I didn't buy the green. I waited for the red, and then bought the break when this candle, the green candle made a new high. I think that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. Got bought after the red, after the 5 minute red. Man, that's crazy. New high on OKTA. Huh. Yeah, I think I've kind of just discovered um well, it's kind of a combination of having profits on the table for one. I don't think I got very far past 1R on TGTX was the only one that actually went into some legitimate profit. Um yeah, I mean they have to actually move though. I'm not just like scalping out 20 or 30 cent on something that has a $4 or $5 ATR. Man, that sucks. I'm 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 executing the strategy right now. It's just getting some sucky results. It's crazy that all of these held my original stop though. My entry was after the pullback on the five. Um 103, I think. 103.05. Yeah, I get that dirt. But I mean, the setup itself like is designed to get a 2 to 3 hour move from the entry. So when I see the setup, regardless of, I mean, I'm not saying like I'm gonna completely disregard ATR because I do pay attention to ATR, but if if it throws the particular setup, then the outcome, the other side of that setup is expecting at least a 2 to 3 hour move. So that's why when I see the setup, I'm taking it. But I mean, especially right now because like I'm collecting data. Like this is my strategy, and I don't know all the times of when it works and when it doesn't work. Like I kind of think I do, but my data's just been so bad. So this month I'm just trying to take the setup every time I see it. And at the end of the month I can say, okay, these worked, these didn't work. What am I seeing across these ones that didn't work? Oh, okay. The spy was below the opening range every time. Oh, okay. Well, maybe we need to wait for the spy to be above the opening range to go long. No, I definitely see what you mean though. Like it's already made most of the move. Like if on a $5 ATR stock and it's if it's already moved $4, I don't want to buy it for sure. I totally get that. And I wasn't mindful of that at the time. I've actually been meaning to have a little box where I put the ATR on the stock right on the chart every time I put a chart on my watch screen so I can be mindful of the range. But yeah, I just wasn't thinking about that at all when I got in this. I'm just strictly looking at the technical chart pattern. But yeah, ATR is definitely something to factor in. Hmm. Well, I'm just really happy that I was able to come in and trade my setup 3 times. That's actually a huge win. Like, if I could do that every day for the rest of this month and max loss every day, that would be terrible. But just just getting myself to not take trades outside of my strategy is a huge step. Cause it's like you're not even really being serious until you can do that. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. Ain't nothing else going on for me, man. But I've taken 4 trades yesterday, 3 trades today. 6 out of 7 were my setup. It's pretty good. But all right, man. Y'all be safe out here. And see y'all tomorrow. Peace.